This is the 35th year of the International Conference of Shluchim. It began in 1983 with a small group of Shluchim, 65 Shluchim, and this year now, for the picture, we are seating about 3,300 Shluchim, and tonight by the banquet there will be about 5,600 people coming.
All my friends!
Well, we have extra security because of the Pittsburg event, but I can assure you it's going to be a safe, enjoyable convention for everyone attending. So let's enjoy it, and I'll see you next year.
Is there any rumors that was going on that you want to dispel? Because there's so much going on, people don't know what to believe. Any in general topics that stick out in your mind of things that did not happen but was constantly reported?
As far as I know, from what I heard from people that were inside, there was no bris going on at that day, no baby naming going on at there, and so all those rumors that were going around, as far as I know, I mean I wasn't there, but as far as we know, that they're not true.
They don't know where it
I
came
heard from one of the rabbis inside the building.
Because people were...
There was several simchas happening around the community, and that last week.
And the 97-year-old woman who was tragically taken was not a Holocaust survivor either. Not that makes it sense, but that was also one of the rumors last night by the family, and they were mentioning that.
So this 97-year-old woman is being credited a Holocaust survivor. People saying they even remember being with her in Auschwitz. It's
She
like
was
all
not.
made up.
All made up. But that's not.
All the military chaplains, the Chabad chaplains have been recognized as Shluchim.
Stop blocking me.
That's why we're here.
What? How many?
It's a little different.
Thank you, Rabbi Brennan. We're going to have a great convention as usual, and this is always a big event for Brooklyn, New York, and NYPD, and the entire city. And on behalf of Commissioner James O'Neill and all the members and women, men and women of the NYPD, we want to express our condolences to our friends and Shluchim from Pittsburgh who joined us here today. And we want to assure those that traveled all the way to New York City that, as usual, this will be a tremendous photo, and it's an honor to be here. So thank you very much, and have a great day. You're not in the picture, so either leave or go in the back so you can get the shot. You're not going to make it over there. Come on, you can't stand in front of the rabbis. What do you think they're here for? Come on. Bye-bye.
After the picture, everybody should remain in their places for a very special announcement.
Hello? Hello? Red shirt. Red. Hello?
Welcome from Pittsburgh. The Nishmas, the Kedoshim that were killed last week. So please remain in your places until after the Tillim is said.
You want to be seen, or you just not sure? Okay. Can you take your bag?
Pittsburgh and the 11 people that were brutally murdered last Shabbos. We would like now, at this special moment, to call upon the Pittsburgh Shluchim to say with us all a kapitel Tillim, a chapter of Psalms, Lamnatseich Yank. We ask the Pittsburgh Shluchim to please come forward, the Shluchim that are there always for the Jewry of Pittsburgh. Right over there.
ציין יסודך Hey, Makadu Nafalu, Anahlu Kamlu Vanisaidon, Adino Yishia, Adel Kaneinu, V'yay Kaneinu, Amin, Amin, Amin,
Watch how you come down.
It has been an absolute pleasure and a privilege for me to take your photo today.
On behalf of the NYPD, we want to thank the Shluchim, we want to thank the press, and we want to thank Deputy Inspector Giordano from the 71st Precinct.
South before.
We've been attending from the second conference. We see that it grows bigger and bigger, and we're affecting the world in a positive way. Today, from Louisville, Kentucky, a relatively small town, 7 people came in together, and we're excited to be here with our brethren.
We love it. We're a nice group. We enjoy every minute here, and we thank you very much for taking a photo of us. Have a good one.
This is the first time that the Lubavitchers who are in the military are together and recognized as Shluchim.
The kids are waiting on the side if we can please clear the area on the street.
We are now looking for the increase of Lubavitchers who are going to be looking at the military simply because now military is Shluchim. Once that happens, it's a different ballgame.